respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Saransh of class 5. Today I am going to recite a poem. The name of my poem is Save Life, Save Future. My poem is like this. Lives are crying because it is not clean. Earth is dying because it is not green. Earth is our dear mother. Don't pollute it. She gave us food and shelter. Just salute it. With global warming, it's in danger. Let's save it by becoming a strong ranger. With dying trees and animals, it's in sorrow. Make green today and green tomorrow. With melting snow, one day it will sink. How can we save it? Just think. Trees are precious, preserve them. Water is a treasure, reserve them. Grow more trees and make Mother Earth a queen. And reduce pollution and make her a queen. This poem tells us that Earth is our dear mother. But what we are doing with our mother?